we have established ourselves as a real player in the helium business in the United States, and we need a lot more helium if this CHIPS Act is going to proceed with bringing more manufacturing to our shores.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Bo Sears. He's the CEO of Helix Exploration. And Bo, it's good to have you back again. How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks very much. Good to have you along. Company Out with News today, talking about drilling going on at Darwin number 1, the well there in Montana. Let's remind everyone a little bit about this and more importantly, what you're seeing in this drilling.
Sure. This is our second drill, and this is situated in northern Montana. We are adjacent to historical helium shows with high flows. And when we drilled this well, we drilled actually high on the structure. So that's a very positive development, and we're very, very excited. As I speak, we've seen the logs, we've set casing, we've completed the well. We couldn't be happier.
Yeah, so it took you about 12 days, total depth of about 5,400 feet in total. Just remind everyone a little bit about what you're seeing, because you've obviously have some initial thoughts on what's down there, right?
Right. So we had a mud logger on site, and what a mud logger does is view the rocks and look for qualities of the rocks and look at the lithology. And he noted some incredible porosity, and it's exactly what you need in helium exploration: porosity and permeability. And that was validated by the wireline logs that we ran, and we know it's a structure that contains helium. So it's a fun deal.
Yeah, the company's very active right now, Bo, in this particular area. Can you sort of talk about the work that's going on there? This is obviously one, but there's another one going on as well.
That's right. So we have two. We're looking at two wells concurrently, testing procedures, protocols. So we'll hope to have some good results here on both here soon.
Yeah. So what happens next? What can people take away from this, Bo?
I think we have established ourselves as a real player in the helium business in the United States, and we need a lot more helium if this CHIPS Act is going to proceed with bringing more manufacturing to our shores over here. So we're genuinely excited. We think we have a real thing going here, and just couldn't be happier with the team.
Okay. And lastly, just about the well itself. So will there be like more results coming here now, or you feel confident where you're at? How does it work normally?
In our case, we have completed the well, we have set casing, we're cementing to surface, and then we will come in with a perforating gun and actually we'll perf holes in the casing, and then we'll test that with certain downhole pressure gauges and flow data and all sorts of data you can accumulate after flow testing.
Well, it's an exciting time for you and the company for sure, and appreciate your time today. Look forward to our next release, and we can talk more about this when that work's done. So, Bo, thanks very much. Good luck and congrats.
Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it.
All right, Bo Sears, the CEO of Helix Exploration.